rainfall is also occurring with these storms. The National Weather Service in Huntsville, Alabama has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Franklin County in Middle Tennessee until 11 p.m. CST.
There we go.
At 10:43 p.m. CST, a severe thunderstorm
Daddy
was
Kid!
located near Cowan or near Winchester, moving northeast at 45 miles per
Weatherboy's
hour.
been playing me tonight, but finally I caught one. It's been tricky tonight.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaged vehicles is expected. Locations in Texas include Winchester, Detroit, Cowan, Montsegal, Suwanee, St. Andrews, Alto, and Woods Reservoir. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest
She
floor
goes
of a
till
building.
11. Sweet.
Large hail and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The